Hi there. Today we're going to talk about skill 19, facetious most nearly means. And let's just do a review of this reading strategy. Remember, on the ACT, the enemy is time. And in order to speed up the test for the reading strategy, you want to answer all lined questions first. Lined questions are when the question will tell you that the answer can be found in a particular line of the reading. Secondly, you will answer all of the hunting questions. The question will tell you that the answer can be found in a particular paragraph. And then finally, inferential questions where you have to read between the lines, you'll answer those last. So much of the key to success on the ACT is knowing how to manage your time, and this strategy will help speed up your reading. So that will help. Now we're going to skill 19. And you always want to write down your mantra. Your mantra will help you in your exit ticket. So, ACT mantra number 19 says to answer questions that have the phrase most nearly means, you just need to reread a few lines before and a few lines after, and it will give you the definition in the line before or the line after the phrase most nearly means. So, if we were to say facetious most nearly means, you would look in the passage. Facetious actually means like kind of like if you said, I'm just being facetious, I'm just being silly or sarcastic. Okay, so this is a humanities passage, and it's from the essay The Three Battles of Beowulf by Sierra Beatty. So all of these questions are lined questions, and the first one tells us that we can find our answer in line 3. As it is used in line 3, the phrase put down roots most nearly refers to, excuse me, and this paragraph says the events described in the epic poem Beowulf take place right after the Anglo Saxons had begun to put down roots in England. Da 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 da. They had moved from Scandinavia and northern Germany. So it's not actually putting down roots, it's not actually farming. Agriculture means farming, crops are what farmers plant, but it's what happens when you move. So, what is the answer to number 1? Yes, C. Number 2, bypass the hours of darkness in line 9, the author most nearly means what? So, if we look at 9, as Beowulf and his men passed the hours of darkness in the safety of Heorot, which is a like a lunch hall, the palace of King Hroðgar, Grendel entered the hall and attacked. Asleep, the men were defenseless. So when you're asleep, you do what? When you're asleep, you pass the hours of darkness. You spend the night. J. Number 3, as it is used in line 14, the word feigned means, and you can actually substitute the synonym. So, Beowulf feigned sleep and leaped up unexpected, grabbing Grendel's arm. So, did he stop sleep, fake sleep, fainted sleep, or did not expect sleep? He's pretending to sleep and then he grabs Grendel's arm, so he faked sleep. B. In line 16, it says the two had an epic battle, tearing the great hall apart. If they tore the great hall apart, then they had what kind of battle? A massive and destructive battle. G. Number 5 in lines 27 and 28, it says he rewarded Beowulf with the sword Nagling, a family heirloom. So Beowulf had defeated the enemy, and Hroðgar, the king, gave Beowulf a sword, which was a family heirloom. So he was never stingy with accolades. He was free with gifts of appreciation. A. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and answer skill 19 questions and the bonus. Then turn them into the Dropbox. Thank you.